Shweta Tiwari's personal life has always been a topic of debate and discussion. The actress is yet again in the limelight, courtesy Abhinav Kohli. Abhinav recently shared a video of Shweta and her Mere Dad Ki Dulhan co-star Farman Khan on his Instagram handle. This random act by Abhinav did not go down well with Shweta Tiwari's fans, who questioned Abhinav what he was trying to prove with the video and soon after started trolling him for the same. While we don't know why Abhinav shared the clip, popular opinion is that Abhinav was trying to defame his ex-wife and her relationship. When an entertainment portal got in contact with Abhinav to get some clarity, they were led to believe that the couple was living together under one roof. As known to all, Shweta left Abhinav last year and even went on to file a police complaint against him for domestic abuse. Their marriage had hit a rough patch and the separation made a lot of headlines. The actress even called her marriage with Abhinav a poisonous infection, and both Shweta and daughter Palak Tiwari had shocking revelations about their relationship with Abhinav. So Abhinav's comment that they are still living together came as a shock and confusion. Interestingly, Shweta has a completely different story to share. While talking to a leading online media, the actress indirectly denied the matter. She denied that she has patched things with Abhinav and that they were staying together under one roof. All this news was still making the rounds when Abhinav took to Instagram yet again to share two new posts, wherein he came in support of Shweta and mentioned that she never made any complaints against him like the media has been claiming in the past 2 days. The post by Abhinav read, I read a few news articles today. It is not Shweta Tiwari who has made the complaint. She has not even one complaint of domestic violence against me, nor a single complaint of me speaking badly to her daughter against me in the last 12 years that I know her. On the 11th August 2019, she did not complain, and the complaint has been read out by DCP Sahab on the same day, which is on the internet. The other post is a WhatsApp chat shot between Abhinav and Mrs. Cuddles Kohli, which is supposedly Shweta. Abhinav captioned the post. This is our conversation on the 12th April 2020. Lavu is Palak Tiwari. I'm a victim of victim card. Like you, all these happenings have gotten us also mightily confused. Are these simply the attempts of an estranged husband to get back with his wife, or is there truth to all this? And which part? For more news, latest updates, and gossips regarding your favorite shows and celebrities, don't forget to subscribe Glitz Vision USA.
Hi, my name is Varun Badola,
Hi, I'm Anjali Tatrari.
and you are watching us on Glades Vision USA.